This is the Nissan Ariya, and it's redefining the very nature of hands-on and hands-off driving. Are you looking for more relaxation or exhilaration in your drive? How about the best of both? Ariya can anticipate and can help assist with your drive with two different driver assist systems. The most advanced is Pro Pilot Assist 2.0, and it's offered on upper trims featuring a hands-off experience. Let's say you're on one of your daily drives. Once the system is activated, you'll notice the lighting along the interior horizon line change from white to green, and you can remove your feet off the pedals. And once the light turns blue, you can remove your hands from the steering wheel. Then you can settle into your zero-gravity seat. Relaxation activated. Looking for a hassle-free way to park? Ariya's Pro Pilot Park has you covered. This system uses advanced cameras and sonar to help you find the optimal way to park. Once you're in position, push down the button, take your hands off the wheel, tuck your feet back, and relax. Now, when it comes to parking, whether bay or parallel, you're a total pro. We covered hands-off with Pro Pilot Assist and Pro Pilot Park. Now, let's talk hands-on, because if a thrilling drive is more your style, Ariya's got that covered too. Opt for the E-Force dual-motor all-wheel drive system, and you not only get high performance, you get holistic performance. Imagine the exhilarating acceleration and control of a sports car. The crossover capability to take on unpaved roads with all-weather confidence. And both in a ride that was so comfortable you thought you were in a hovercraft. Now you can get the best of all worlds. And there you have it. Intuitive intelligence, a sense of serenity, and electrifying exhilaration. Ariya is more than a fully electric crossover, it's a force of wonder.